Google has just done major updates to its AI model. Specifically, Gemini just got a huge update that we should cover in detail. Let's get started with the first thing, which is the canvas mode. This is where you can write and preview your React HTML code. You can edit specific parts of documents or of your code, and in general, build prototypes, games, websites, and loads of things. So let's start and see a preview of how this looks like. So here we can see the code. We will also try it out. You can ask Gemini for this specific kind of code and it will give you a response. You can toggle the preview and you can see a preview of your application. This is absolutely insane. So that looks very, very nice. And this is just one of the updates they pushed out today. Let's go over to the next thing, because they also got an audio preview that was just released. Again, we see here the video of the canvas, and it's also advertised by Sundar Pichai, if I told it correctly, which is the CEO, I think, of Google. So this is quite a big deal. And this is completely free to use. And that's something important to note. So another thing that they've done is that they added audio previews in Notebook LM, and they made them available to the Gemini application as well. So that feels like a big deal. So in order to turn this mode on, we click the Generate Audio Preview Overview, and we will get some kind of audio file, like a podcast-like result. And they advertise it along with their deep research feature. So that's very big. That's very important to note. So we will be checking out these updates right now. And one of the things that I want to tell you is that deep research from Gemini was free and is free for up to 5 deep researches per month. But right now they double that and you can do 10 queries per month for absolutely free, which is a great deal. How much deep research would you actually want to do as a normal person? And, I think it's time to go and try it. So we're here in the Gemini application and you can select Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, and Deep Research. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with Flash Thinking. Canvas is not actually open right now for it, so you can only use it with Gemini Flash. Let's open up the canvas. Here it says create landing page for my robotics project. We're building a small learning robots. Okay, so it's starting to create this landing page. So this is again just a simple example. And here we can see this landing page looks quite good, looks totally fine. Let's open up a new query. Let's open up the canvas. Create a Python script, places cube inside a moving wheel, animate using physics. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to place a cube inside a moving wheel using Python and animate it with physics. I don't know. I just thought of that right now. You should go ahead and check it out. The link for Gemini will be on the NoFX website. And someone will ask me, what is NoFX? So Canvas cannot actually preview this, but you can export to Collab to test it out. So that's also interesting to note. If you want to find links for applications that are AI based, you should go down below in the link, NoFX services, AI tools. This is over here, the link. It will load a list of AI tools that I suggest that you use and try out. And I will be updating in the next few days this list to add even more tools. So we've got GitHub Copilot, Lovable, Deep Research Tools. We also got Grok, ChatGPT, Manus. I will add Gemini here. Image generators. Most of these are free to use. They've got subscriptions if you want to use subscriptions. But here you can find Gemini. You can find my introduction to Gemini here and also a link for Gemini. This is very interesting. And also if you're interested in free courses concerning LLMs, I have loads of courses, guys, for AI, for LLMs, for image generation. Everything you can think about, I probably have it here. And I'm creating every week a new free course for you, my friends. So click one of these. It will point you out to Udemy and you can check them out for completely free. Right now, we're also building an AI community Discord where we will be talking about things. You can come in here and ask me whatever you want. I'm super excited to find you inside here. You can join this Discord, become part of the community. You only have to verify by clicking here, so we don't have loads of bots. And I look to find you here. The link for the Discord is down below. So let's get started with deep research. I'm going to ask it, find me the tech stack for portfolio website. Okay, so I'm asking it to find me the tech stack for a portfolio website. Deep research, it's a simple query. What I want to try out is this preview of audio previews, which is essentially the notebook LM embedded inside Gemini application. So this is the prompt optimization that deep research does before it starts researching. And you can see here that it breaks everything down to steps using some proprietary information, and it starts to research. And here you can actually see the thinking process of the research. Again, I think that Google research is very good and Google is right back on track. You should go watch my previous videos, guys. Google is absolutely going to the top of the game. Like, they do so many releases, so many cool stuff for very cheap, mostly free value. This is literally insane. Here you can see all of the steps. And literally, if you haven't already watched this Google new image generator, guys, this is insane. You should go absolutely after this video in my channel and watch that video. And you know, Google for me is my go-to company for API calls because they give you so many free requests every day. It's totally insane, and I've got so many things to cover, so make sure to smash the subscribe button to not miss out. I'm bringing you nearly everyday videos, full free value for all of you guys because you support me so much, and I want to thank you. So this is the deep research done live. It researches 39 websites. You can see here all of the websites if you want to learn more information. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. We're just going to cut to the finishing of the deep research to see also the audio previews. Okay, so the result is in, and we can see over here all of the information from deep research, all of the technologies suggested, a comparison view using tables, which is literally insane. Looks very, very nice. With all of the information, and these seem quite valid, I gotta say. Backend technologies, again, these look quite good, I gotta say. Database considerations, these looks good. All of the good solutions are over here. I think it searched over 100 websites, 150 websites. And yeah, we have covered Google Deep Research in the past. Don't want to cover it again. You can export to Google Docs, or you can go and generate an audio preview. So this could be absolutely insane. Now, I don't know how much time this is going to take. It says it's going to take a few minutes. So I'm just going to cut ahead and just show you the audio preview when it's ready. But again, this thing looks absolutely amazing. This is so unexpected. So unexpected. All of the updates from Google are insane. Like, these guys were so behind. But as I have said in the past in multiple videos, they build niche applications that solve specific problems, and they don't rush to put out products because the technology was not yet optimized. But right now they've got super free models, small, good models, niche models. They're based on agentic architecture, and you know, they seem to make big leaps, and they're closing the gap in terms of usability and actual products you can use. This is like, guys, this is like, in my opinion, the most important things. They've got tools that you can use and create awesome, useful shit. And this is the most important thing. Like, they do products. They don't do models. They don't do agents. So I'm going to cut right to the result to see how the audio preview goes. But we've seen the whole workflow. This looks super good. All right, so the result is in. Let's go ahead and see this audio preview, which you can actually share with people. And you can also literally just download it, which looks very nice. So let me mute my microphone and let's hear it. Okay, so a nice feature is that you can actually speed it up because the current format, the default, is very slow. You can also jump ahead like 10 seconds, super nice. You can also say good or bad response, which helps them improve the model. This is very useful. I think we should be doing it. So let's hear the rest of it.
Okay, so you want to build a killer portfolio website, right?
Yeah.
So let's hear the rest of it.
Without drowning in a sea of jargon.
Exactly.
And you know you've got a ton of choices out there.
Oh, way too many.
It can be overwhelming.
That's why we're here. We are going to cut through the...
Okay, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. This looks super good. Like, Gemini is improving so much. AI Studio with the experimental models is also amazing. Free API calls that you can do every day. Like, you have unlimited requests, essentially. Mind-blowing. So I really like this feature. It looks super good. I absolutely suggest that you start using Gemini 2.0 Plus for most of your things. Yeah, this is very nice. Google is improving massively. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.